Hi guys, you're with Crochet with Greta, and today I'm really excited for my second video, and I'm gonna show you how to do our amigurumi to look so fluffy and soft like this little monkey here. So we need a pet brush. I'm using this pet brush and I'm using this part, and let's start. We're going to brush a lot. Here I have one which is ready to brush, and let's the fun begin. And you can see it's already started to look fluffy. But we have a lot more work to do. You can see it's getting fluffy and fluffier. Still a lot more work to do. As you can see guys, we almost there. We have a really fluffy friends. See, our little fluffy friend is ready. If you like more fluffier, you need to keep going with a brush. Now I will start with all parts, and then we're gonna have a little monkey looking like this. And you can see my monkey is almost ready, only ears left before to put the ears. Here I have my ears. I just have a little go on them as well. Is ready now for my monkey. There we go. My little friend is ready, very fluffy and soft. I'm Crochet with Greta. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please thumbs up and subscribe for my channel. And see you next time. Bye.